All right, two of our favorite things, Prosper, Texas and Toll Brothers. And this is a model home that we're getting into. It's 4,500 square feet, listed at about 1.2, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Like I said, about 4,500 square feet. And this thing has got about $500,000 in upgrades, so.
Yeah, so be prepared
Be
for
prepared.
that. And this is day 18 of our 90 videos and 90-day challenge. So let's get started.
Let's do this.
I am in love with this model.
Yeah, we've had actually a client build this in Star Trail in Prosper. So I will kind of show you what they did differently. It was several years ago, so pricing is going to be different.
Just a bit.
But here is the study, and look at this. This is what's cool about the study is you've got the 2-story ceiling.
I know, that thing is amazing. Look at the windows. I really think the chandelier is super
is something
fun.
else if it doesn't show. But I love the glass.
I know, I'm gonna come around. There's so much to look at just in this room alone. So we got a lot to show.
This is also probably one of the reasons why we don't show as much model homes now is because we get this.
Yeah, because most people don't have 500 grand to put into a home.
I would certainly, as your real estate agent, I would certainly tell you, let's relax on that. But yeah, this thing is just incredible. So
It really is a great office.
size-wise, elegant, wow, it checks off a ton of boxes. Incredible. So
Yeah.
right off to your left right here is going to be your powder bath.
Very nice.
I mean, just look at the upgrades here.
Yeah.
They've got this marble tile in a chevron pattern all the way up the walls on every single
both
wall.
sides. And then the same wood that they use on the floors go around here. You're gonna see that a lot throughout this house
Yeah,
too.
just be prepared for that.
Yeah, there's a lot of wood.
Here is your mud area because this would be your garage, your 3-car garage. And then you've got your laundry and mud area.
Let's see, so they've got these beautiful cabinets in here. And then a sink with the nice countertop. Oh, and then they've got tile on the backsplash on the other side. I mean, it's crazy.
When you don't have a budget, babe.
I know,
You know.
I know.
Now, I love this floor plan. You've got your courtyard right here, which is nice, obviously.
Yeah, that's super nice.
You
A
know,
lot of
for
times
patio people, this is like a dream come true.
Yeah, and a lot of times they'll put a fireplace on this wall,
Mm-hmm.
which is nice.
You can get access to that from here, but I will tell you what our clients did.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a treatment. Instead of having like a closet, they turn this into kind of a wine area underneath the stairs.
Or you can make it into a coat closet.
It comes
if you'd
naturally as a-
rather.
Yeah, it's just a regular.
But yeah, that's nice. And then let me go around so you can see that they've done here. They even have like lights at the bottom, just everything.
All right, so now let's go into the heart of the home. All right, let's start off with the Costco size snack closet. This thing is massive. And then we can take in the rest.
Look at this thing. It's it's like it's a room unto itself.
Yeah, that's a primary closet. You got double ovens, right? You got your microwave down here, which I love the placement of that when they lower it down. You got a 6-burner KitchenAid appliance package. You've got a nice sink right here, the farmer style. The cabinetry is all top of the line. So,
Very big island.
you know, what you would expect from Toll Brothers. I love the KitchenAid, kind of that Sub-Zero look, you know, the built-in look.
Yeah, that's really pretty. And this cabinet color is gorgeous. It's not white, but it's a
It's
very
like that cream.
nice color.
Again, the wood floors and the ceiling all match.
Here, hold on. I'm gonna show the floors. Oh, I like all the lighting underneath too. But yeah, look at the wood ceiling. It goes all the way across. Same wood as the floors. That's
I mean,
We're
it's something else. I
we're
can't
both
even
in awe.
imagine. So just to extend the wood on a normal house is what, $30,000, let's say. So not only that 30,000, but then we're gonna double that and put it on the ceiling.
And then look behind you.
That's
There's
what I mean.
even
Like,
more.
it's just all over the place, right? Incredible.
And then they put beams in here, white ones.
Yeah, and they blend in. I didn't even realize they had beams in here.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know, but
Just the
this
subtle
is sure
touches.
fun to look at.
Oh, for sure. So here's your breakfast area or dining, obviously. Really nice. Leads out to a backyard without a pool. Might be one of my favorites. Just as a
You're
patio
not going
person.
out there right now, huh?
Not yet.
Okay.
Because what I wanted to explain right here is what our clients did in Star Trail. So this is your family area. They love to entertain. And so what they did is you've got these sliders right here. They have the screens down on the patio and all that. And they have a fireplace right here. And then they have a fire feature like Patrice was saying, and they turn this into a slider as well. So you had opposing sliders. And so when they entertain, they're all open and they have the screens down, and it's completely, it's like having just an entertainer's dream.
Yeah, it really.
Right, you got two fireplaces, you got this fireplace going. It's just a really cool look.
Yeah.
That I just wanted to point out is a little different. We will hit that outside before we go upstairs. And wait until you see upstairs. The game area and the media room, how they did that is just top notch. But you come over here, here's your downstairs ensuite for guests or secondary bedroom. Has a walk-in closet.
Let me take a look at the closet. I want to see how big these are. Oh, that's a good size closet.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, and I like the windows on this side. That's really nice. Looking out on the courtyard.
and then here, you know, the tile goes all the way up. They spare no expense. This cabinetry,
This is how they get you.
yeah, this is why we like inventory homes, guys. Because we like to give you as realistic, you know, what our clients are actually buying and purchasing.
Yeah.
Model homes are fantastic. We love them, obviously. Who wouldn't? But
Right.
it's just
Well, a
over the
lot of
top.
this stuff too, we do tell our clients to do after because
Yeah,
it's so much cheaper to do some of this after. I haven't seen him speechless in a long time.
All right, so here is, well, I just know, you know, we're looking at a $1.2 million house, which is an incredible budget to begin with. And then that doesn't even come close to what,
Right,
you know, so I feel
yeah,
like there's
sure.
a little bait and switch here, you know.
Yeah.
Here we've got beams. Nice big room. I like that little bump out there. This is gorgeous.
It really is gorgeous.
And then in here you've got a spa-like ensuite.
Well, of course.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
You've got split vanities
Oh,
with
look at
waterfall
that
edges.
Waterfall edges even.
You've got two different closets. So, you know, we're not fighting over that.
Okay. You got to give me a second for all this because look at, they've got beams in the bathroom. I don't think I've ever seen beams in the bathroom. You mentioned the two closets, so let me go over and take a look. Oh, and they even have like the nice closets in there, the organizing type stuff. There's that one. And then there's one behind Andy. So there's that one. Oh my goodness. Okay.
And then this soaking tub is for two people at least.
Yeah, it's big. That's a big one.
Yeah. And then you've got a car wash shower, which you know I love these things with the rain head.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, it has not checked off a box that we don't, it's not missing any check.
No, there are no boxes.
I don't know how to say that. Yeah, there you go.
No box unchecked. Yes.
There you go.
Fantastic.
So let's go head out in the backyard. I mean, guys, if you're patio people, I mean, this is the dream house. Not only do you have that courtyard in the front right there, but you have all this.
Yeah.
And they changed these backyards into a, just basically like an entertainer's dream here. We got a bar out there.
Goodness, yeah, look at
Table
that.
with a waterfall edge.
You're right. Wow,
mean-
look, yeah, they've got the quartz right here.
Now this
That's
seems,
gorgeous.
this is like this is for those with tattoos that have, and what I mean by that is like, you're looking at me like, what the hell are you talking about,
Yeah.
Andy? I'm saying this is someone that is committed, right, to whatever it is.
Oh, I get it.
I mean,
'Cause
this
you're
is
not moving this.
you're not moving that,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
and just like, that's my always fear with tattoos. That's why I don't have it. It's like, I don't, you know.
That's why your son has them all for
Yeah,
you.
exactly. I love the idea. I love the look. I just, where would I put? Look at this space.
Oh, this is
You've
so
got a nice
cool.
fire area, just to give you some ideas. Step down into your stone. So this part wouldn't take all that much.
No, this is so nice. And then where the grass is should be a pool, but they opted
Yeah, you can
to
have
not.
like a small pool, but it kind of shows you with the nice water feature.
Yeah. Which if you're not pool people and you just want water, that's a nice thing to have.
And then look at this. I love this.
I do too.
The only thing it's missing is a smoker.
Smoker, I know, I was looking for that myself.
But come on.
I know.
You know, this is wonderful.
I think you'd be out here all the time.
You think? I would live out here.
Yeah. This really is fantastic.
Now let's go upstairs and I want to show you that meeting, because if I'm not out here, I'm going to be in this media room. So let's
Okay.
go see it.
Oh, wow. Look
Yeah,
at this.
this would be perfect for our family.
Yes.
Right? You got a little stage
We're
for.
a musical family, so.
So this would work nicely.
Well,
Right,
I shouldn't say we are a musical family. I am not musical, but.
But picture this, generally speaking, as a game room, right? Big enough for a pool table and, arcade games or shuffleboard, whatever you wanted to do, you can do that in here.
This is really fun, though. Uh-oh. What
Look
are
at, but again, I want to point out the wood.
More wood.
It's the flooring all over the place, and they continued in here. Look at this.
Oh. Okay, so this room would be my room. I definitely
If I'm not,
sit and listen to some vinyl. Oh, yes. I
mean,
love
this is just a killer look.
This is very nice.
It's so different. Oh man, they got Dark Side of the Moon. They got some.
I know. This is a great
They've
room.
got, is that Traveler with Chris Stapleton? So
It
they've got an
is.
eclectic.
Fleetwood Mac.
You know, this
Linkin
is kind of
Park,
like
I
my
got-
playlist.
Oh, look at the seating on that side. I love that. This is cool.
All right, look at this. Can you imagine being a kid and living here, and this is your room?
More wood. Wow. No, this is fun. Look at this. This is huge.
I mean, come on.
We're like kids in a candy store today on this. This is fun. We've been looking at inventory homes, so we haven't seen a model in a while, and this is kind of fun to see.
Yeah, it is fun. That's what we love, model homes. We named our channel for Texas Model Home
Yeah.
for crying out loud. But
But
we
we like to be
also-
real at the same time.
we also like to be as honest and real as possible. So here's a nice ensuite, big
Yeah.
walk-in closet.
I do like that tile. That's nice. Very nice. Okay, well,
Yeah.
I like that room.
All right, so let's go take a look. There should be what, 2 or 3 more bedrooms? 2 bedrooms up here?
Which way are you going?
Right here. Look at this.
Cool.
On the back side of the house, walk-in closet. These are good sized bedrooms. I mean, these are full or queen size beds, you know.
And then it's got 2 doors to get to the bathroom. So that this would be for this room, and then also as the guest bath. But really pretty. I'm gonna swing around here.
I could see having some fights. If you have 3 or 4 kids,
Yeah.
right?
I want the one with the bathroom. Yeah.
I want the ones with, why don't I get my own bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, well, sorry, Susie. All right, look at this room, same thing, you know,
Yeah.
gorgeous. It's got its own bathroom, big bathroom. I love the chevron flooring here. So anyway, thank you so much for supporting us on our 90-day challenge. Smashing that like button helps and goes a long way. It gives us encouragement. Let us know that you're enjoying the series. Comment below, let us know what your thoughts are, your favorite part of this house, etc. And for all your Dallas real estate needs, you know who to call. Hit that dream home form. Andy and Patrice, we're going to have your back no matter what it is and where you are in the DFW area. We know it all and have been everywhere. So we are more than happy to help you out. And in fact, we absolutely love it. So thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of this challenge. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.